Welcome to the display tutorial for advanced users. As with normal users, you will log in to the software with your email and password, and you get in, you'll see that you've already got a whole bunch of buildings and a whole bunch of posters. Now, once you've got a lot of data, what are you going to do with this data? Well, the software allows a whole bunch of options to analyze whether all your communication campaigns are indeed improving the performance of your buildings. So the first very interesting option for you is local statistics. Now, if you click on local statistics, you're able to compare different years of consumption. So here we take 2007, we can compare it with 2005 for all building categories. We submit, and we can see for 424 buildings we've got an improvement of around about 16%, and we can see that renewables have gone from 18% to 23%, and we can also see that if we click on the details for each building, it gives a list of every single building, the improvements that have been made. If we click on the top, it sorts it from best to worst. So here we have an improvement of 90%, here a building that's got worse by 160%. We can identify our good and bad buildings from this data. We can then also compare our local data with national statistics, so we do a similar type analysis as was done beforehand, 2007, 2005, although in this case we will not have a detailed analysis of the buildings, we just have overall analysis for energy, carbon and water. What's also a very interesting option is the building statistics poster. With the building statistics poster, we have previously identified buildings that improved a lot, and now we want to show the public these improvements. So earlier we saw a very interesting building which was Holly Gardens, so we do a search, Holly Gardens, we go OK, we see that in 2004 it was an F, and in 2007 was an A. We click on that, and then we know what solutions were made in this building to make this an amazing improvement. We add in what the solutions were, technical, how much it cost, how many pounds, how many euros, how much it cost, and then we generate a poster like this, and we click on that, and we've got a perfectly designed poster which shows what our rating was beforehand, what our rating is now, the percentage improvement, and we can see that this is a very interesting improvement. Alright, the final option, which is very interesting, is the import-export option. That's for those of you who don't want to manually enter data. Here, once again, you can put your data into a OpenOffice Calc document. You import your buildings data, then you import your consumption data later. And finally, we have a very new option for those who want to provide web services between the existing databases and our database. This is an extra paying option, but please feel free to get hold of either Ian Turner or Peter Shilkin. Our contacts are at the bottom of the website. Thank you.